Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add multiple accounts on TikTok. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to add multiple accounts on TikTok, all you gotta do is simply tap open your TikTok app. Once you have opened it, all you gotta do now is simply go and tap on your profile. Once you're in your profile, you can simply tap on the username that is on the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and there you can find an option called add account. Simply tap on add account and type in the number which is used to sign up for your TikTok, or you can even use the email, Facebook, or Google. So this is for signing up, and if you have already an account that exists, simply tap on login. After this, you can use your phone number, email address, username, continue with your Facebook or Google. So after doing this, your account will be added along with other multiple accounts. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.